Very good morning. Welcome back to the class. In the last class we have seen, in the last class we saw this type of questions, and this is the next question. To save the time, I wrote the question in advance. Okay. So this is the question we have to solve the following equations by using matrix method. That question. So converting solution. Given convert the system, convert the equations into matrix. Matrix form. Convert the equations into matrix form. Okay. So capital A equals to 1 minus 1 1 2 1 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. Capital X equals to X Y Z. Capital B equal to 4 0 2. Okay. So Ax equal to B. I already told why we are writing Ax equal to B. X equal to A inverse into B. Ax equal to B implies X equal to A inverse into B. Right? Okay, let us find out first of all. We have to find A inverse. A inverse we have to find means first of all determinant A we have to find. Determinant A equals to determinant of 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 3 1 1 equals to expand this one by using any row or by using any column we can expand. Why? Because there are no zeros at any way, so you can expand. I am going to expand by using first row 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 into 1. First row first column remove 1 into 1 1 immediately minus 3 into 1 minus 3 means it becomes plus 3. Minus 1 into middle column first. It will become plus 1, just wait. Minus 1 into 2 minus 3, 1, 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Immediately minus 1 into minus 3, it becomes plus 3. Okay? 1 into last one. First row, last column. 2 ones are 2 minus 1. Patangshi. For these things we have to change the sign. Minus 1. Change the sign. Remaining positive. This is positive. This is positive. So 1 plus 3 4 plus 2 plus 3 5 plus 2 minus 1 1. It is 10. Not equal to 0. So I am going to solve 3 questions totally. In the last class 1 question. This is 1 question and 1 more question we will solve. 1 more question we will solve and 1 question, 2 questions I will give homework. 3 questions I will give homework. Why? Because 1 more working question is there. Working question I will explain up to this point. How to write these equations. They did not give equations in that question. I will explain till here. From here after I can give homework. Okay? Right. So adjoin here. Adjoin. Right. Adjoint A. Already we have solved so many questions. You start solving the problem. Right. Adjoint. First row, first column remove for the remaining part. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3, 1, 1. 1, 1. First row, second column if you remove 2 minus 3, 1, 1. 2 minus 3, 1, 1. First row, third column 2, 1, 1, 1. 2, 1, 1, 1. Whole transpose minus 1 1 1 1. Okay. Middle row, all are ones. Middle row, last column, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1. Last row, first column, minus 1 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 3. Last row, middle column, 1 1 2 minus 3. 1 1 2 minus 3. Last row, last column, 1 minus 1 2 1. 1 minus 1 2 1. Okay. Right. Equals to 1 into 1 1 immediately minus 1 into minus 3 it becomes plus. Patankshe, negative sign, Patankshe. Don't go to draw Patankshe in the exam. Right like this. That doesn't look good. So minus of 2 into 1 2 immediately minus 1 into minus 3 it becomes plus 3. 2 ones are 2 minus 1 into 1 minus of minus 1 into 1 minus 1 immediately minus 1 into 1 1 minus 1 minus of 1 into 1 1 immediately minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Understood why I was telling, why I have been telling 1 into 1 1 immediately minus the word immediately. I think you understood the difficulty of that one at this place particularly, okay, even at this place also, right? Chances are there to make mistake. Coming to this place, minus 1 into minus 3 minus immediately minus 1 into 1 minus of 1 into minus 3 immediately minus 2 into 1 1 into 1 1 immediately minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 it becomes plus 2. Right? 1 plus 3 4 minus 5 2 minus 1 1 minus of minus 2 means plus 2. 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 5 is 1 plus 2 3. Have you two got the same answer or not? Have you two got the same answer or not? Okay, equals to transpose of this one. First row becomes the first column, second row becomes the second column, third row becomes third column. Okay, we did transpose already. Again, don't go to write whole power t. Whole transpose, don't go to write. Right? Show the difference between adjoint and determinants. Show the difference between adjoint and determinants. Show the difference between adjoint and determinants. Where we get determinants only at this place. In this type of question, only at this place determinant will come. Only at one place determinant will come. Only at one place determinant will come. Everything is matrix. This is determinant. Here also determinant. Majorly this is the remaining all matrix. This is also matrix. These are small determinants. Remaining all matrix. Remember. In the next test, if anybody writes everything is determinant, definitely 1 mark cut, otherwise 2 marks cut. Why 2 marks cut? In annual examination they cut only 1 mark. We cut 2 marks. Why? Because in advance we are telling don't do this mistake. If you do again for punishment purpose, 1 more mark extra cut. You have to understand. Here you should not write determinant. We told in advance. Still you are writing determinant means for punishment purpose one more mark cut. Be very careful. So all these are matrices. Adjoint A matrix. Determinant A. This is the only determinant we have. And these are small determinants. Those are small determinants. That's why I wrote it in advance. I think I already told. Don't know. Okay, no problem. If you listen second time, nothing happens. Very important that is. So next what we have to write? Next what we have to write? Adjoint A, we got A inverse equals to 1 by delta A into adjoint A equals to 1 by determinant A 10. Adjoint A 4 double 2. Minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 3 1 minus 2 3. This is A inverse. X equal to A inverse into B. X equal to what is A inverse 1 by 10 into. I already told you don't go to multiply these two. If you multiply these two, what will happen? Simplification steps, fractional part will come. Unnecessary headache to simplify. So 4 double 2 minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 3 into B. What is that? B 402 equals to 1 by 10 into. Multiply both the matrices. 4 4s are 16. 2 into 0 0. 2 into 2 4. Minus 5 into 4 minus 20. 0 into 0 0. 5 2s are 10. 1 into 4 4. Minus 0 or plus 0 useless. 3 2s are 6. Equals to 1 by 10 into 16 plus 4 20 minus 10 4 plus 6 10. So if you, this is x. X means x, y, z. Equals to, if you multiply with 1 by 10, 1 by 10 into 20 into 1 by 10 into minus 10 minus 1. 1 by 10 into 10. Therefore, x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1. This is the answer. Writing this is compulsory. Who will write? If you leave this step, it is not impressive. Chances are there to cut the marks. Okay, write this one. Very answer. You are writing one answer means in the whole world, whoever correct your paper, in the whole world, whoever corrects your paper, they should give 5 out of 5. That's it. Nobody should pinpoint. In such a way your answer should be. Is it necessary to write like this? It is understood here itself. X equal to 2, y equal. That is one concept, equality of two matrices. Right? That is one concept, equality of two matrices. So as per that concept, this will come. Who will write this one? Compulsory, you have to write. Okay? X equal to y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1. Suppose you are solving a question in the examination. You got x value as 4,48,256 by 2,429. You no need to check it back. You immediately strike the complete question, restart. X value, y value, z value will not be in lakhs or crores. It will be simple. In general, x value, y value, z value, in general, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, 4, minus 4, 5, minus 5, 0. Or 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. Answer will be in general, among always in these only answer, in general. The question is extremely different, somewhere in one question it may be different, that's it. Okay? So in general answers will be this much one. 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, 4, minus 4, 5, minus 5, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 4. 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. That's in general. Okay? Keep it in mind. And don't feel happy if you get X value 2 crore 48 lakhs 256 by, oh my god, I got very very big answer. Marks will be 0. Okay? So be cautious. And last question I am going to solve. Last question. 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 5. X minus 2y. X minus 2y plus z equals to minus 4. 3x minus y. Minus 1 minus 2z equal to 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 5. X minus 2y plus z equal to minus 4. 3x minus y minus 2z equal to 3. This is the next question. Okay. So, same method, converting the equations into matrix form, same method. So, x coefficient 2, y coefficient 3, z coefficient 3, x coefficient 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2. B value 5 minus 4, 3. Determinant we have to find out. Method says Ax equal to B, x equal to A inverse into B. I think many people started solving the problem already. Very very good. Very very good. You have to finish faster than me. By using first I am going to expand 2, 3, 3. 2, 3, 3. Right? First row, first column, minus 2 into minus 2, 4, immediately minus 1 into 1, minus 1, it becomes plus 1, 3 into middle row, first column, middle column, first row, 1 into minus 2, immediately minus 3, 3 into first row, last column, 1 into minus 1, immediately minus 3 into minus 2, minus 6, it becomes plus 6. Patang shape for this negative sign remaining positive equal to 2 into 4 plus 1, 5, minus 3 into minus 5, 3 into 5 equal to 10 plus 15 plus 15 equal to 30, 40. Okay, 30 plus 10, 40 equals, not equal to. Adjoint A we have to find. Okay, minus 2, 1, 1, minus 1. Minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. Next, first row, first middle column. 1, 1, 3, minus 2. 1, 1, 3, minus 2. First row, last row, 1, minus 2. 1, minus 2, 3, minus 1. Middle row, first column. 3, 3, minus 1. 3, 3, minus 1. 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Middle row, 2, double 3, minus 2. 2, double 3, minus 2. Middle row, last column. 2, 3, 3, minus 1. 2, 3, 3, minus 1. Last row, first column. 3, 3, minus 2, 1. 3, 3, minus 2. Last row, middle row, 2, 3, double 1. 2, 3, double 1. Last row, last column, 2, 3, 1, minus 2. 2, 3, 1, minus 2. Don't forget to write transpose and button shape negative sign. Okay? Let us check once again whether it is correct or not. Minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2, yeah, this one. 1, 1, 3, minus 2, yeah, this one. 1, minus 2, 3, minus 1, yeah, this one. 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, yeah, this one. 2, 3, 3, minus 2, 2, 3, 3, minus 2, yeah, this one. 2, 3, 3, minus 1, correct. This one. 3, 3, minus 2, 1. 2, 3, 1, 1. 2, 3, 1, minus 2, correct. Okay. Now, minus 2 into minus 2, 4. Immediately minus 1 plus 1. Minus of minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Immediately minus 3 into 1 3. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Immediately minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6. It becomes plus 6. Minus of 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Immediately minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3. It becomes plus 3. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Immediately minus 3 3s are 9. Minus of 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Immediately minus 3 3s are 9. 3 into 1 3. Immediately minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6. It becomes plus 6. Minus of 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into 1 3. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Immediately minus 3. All transpose equals to. Okay, 4 plus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 6 minus 6 plus 3 minus 4 minus 9 minus 2 minus 9 3 minus 3 plus 6 2 minus 3 4 minus 4 minus 3. Okay, now 4 plus 1 5 only 5 minus 3 means plus 3 minus 13 11 9 2 minus 3 minus 1 means minus of minus 1 means 1 minus 7. Whole transpose equals to 5 5 5 3 minus 13 9 1 minus 7 9 1 minus 7. Okay, some video problem is there, right? 5 11 minus 7, that we got adjoint A equals to 1 by determinant A. What is determinant A? 40 into adjoint A. What is adjoint A? 539. 5 minus 13 1. 5 11 minus 5 11 minus 7, right? Same thing we have had here also, 1 by 40 into 539. 5 minus 13 1 5 11 minus 7 into B. What is B? 5 minus 4 5 minus 4 3 equals to 1 by 40. First column 5 5s are 25 minus 12 plus 27. 5 5s are 25 plus 52 plus 3. 5 5s are 25 minus 44. 5 5s are 25 minus 44. This is 11. Yeah. Minus 20. Minus 20. Sorry, 1 by 40. 1 by 40 into 25 minus 12, 13. 13 plus 27, 40. 52 plus 3, 55. 55 plus 25. 55 plus 25, 80. 25 minus 21 is 4. Minus 44 plus 4, minus 40. Minus 44 plus 4, minus 40. Okay? If you multiply 40, 40 cancel. 41 sir, 42 sir. 40, 40 cancel. So 1, 2, minus 1. Good. Right? So 1, 2, minus 1. Answers will be in this only, in general. Answers will be in this only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. In general, maximum. We don't get x, y, z values in crores, right? Even lakhs also we don't get. They don't give, right? We don't get, I can't say. They don't give like that in general. Right, let us see the next question, homework question. This question you have to solve. X minus y plus 2z equal to 7. 3x plus 4y plus minus 5z equal to minus 5. 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 12. X minus y plus 2z equal to 7. 3x plus 4y minus 5z equal to minus 5. 2x minus 5 plus 3z equal to 12. That is one question. Another question is there. That question I have to write. The question way of asking is different. Same method, same type. Nothing is different. The question how they ask, if capital A equals to 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 2 minus 4, 1, 1 minus 2, find A inverse using A inverse. Solve the system of equations. Solve the system of equations. 2x minus 3y plus 5z equal to 11. 3x plus 2y minus 4z equals to minus 5x plus y minus 2z equal to minus 3. Sir, here they give A. If we convert these matrices into these equations into matrix form, there also we get A. In the question they asked us to find A inverse. For which A we have to find inverse? Whether this A or coming A. If you observe carefully, the coming A and the given A both are same. If you convert these equations into matrix form, what is A? 2 minus 3, 5. 3, 2 minus 4. 1, 1 minus 2. Correct, sir, correct. Correct? Okay? So, whatever we are going to write A, that is given already. So, you no need to take any tension about this. Consider this complete question as solve the system of equations by using matrix method. Consider the complete question as solve the system of equations by using matrix method. That's it. Consider the question like that. Then it will be easy. Okay? Right? So you can do it as homework. Next question is there. Some working question. With this, exercise questions will be over. Yeah, this much only. The cost of 4 kg onions come 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice. 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is 60 rupees. The cost of 2 kg onion. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat, 6 kg rice. 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice is 90 rupees. The cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat, 3 kg rice, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is 70 rupees. Find the cost of each item. Find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method. Per kg by matrix method. Per kg by matrix method. Sir, what is this onions, wheat, rice? What question it is? How it is related to matrix chapter? Yeah, it is related to matrix chapter. That's why they gave this question. I mean, matrices are determinants. That's why they gave in this chapter. Sir, how it is related? 4 kg onion, 4 kg onion plus 3 kg wheat, 3 kg wheat plus 2 kg rice equal to 60 rupees. 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat, 6 kg rice, 90 rupees. 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat, 3 kg rice, 70 rupees. If anybody sees, what is this? 40 plus 3w plus 2r equal to 60. 3w plus 2r equal to 60 minus 40, it will be 20. That's why, to avoid confusion, what we are doing, converting the given data into equations. Converting the data into linear equations. System of linear equations, more better. Into system of linear equations, and let x equal to onions, y equal to wheat, z equal to rice. This is more better, right? Now how it becomes? 4x plus 3y plus 2z equals to 60. 2x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 90. 6x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 7. From here after you know how to solve. Can you? Last step, what is the last step? Therefore x equal to something, y equal to something, z equal to something. Therefore, cost of onions per kg equals to cost of wheat per kg, cost of rice per kg. Better to write like that, it doesn't take hours together time. Okay now? Right. Now, let us see some questions in miscellaneous exercise. Within 2-3 classes this exercise will be over. I mean this chapter will be over. Within 2-3 classes. It doesn't take much time. Right. Prove that the determinant. Next question. In the miscellaneous exercise. Example questions you see, you can understand. Working steps are there. You can understand. If you did not understand anything, you can come and ask. You can ask even through WhatsApp also, or you can come to college and ask. That is better. Prove that the determinant. Prove that the determinant. Prove that x sin theta cos theta minus sin theta minus x, 1 cos theta x, 1x is independent of theta. Is independent of theta. He is independent of theta, right? What is the meaning of the question? Afterwards we see. First of all, let us expand it. Finally, we will understand something. Okay? Let us expand it. So, he is independent of theta is the question. He is independent of theta is the question. Okay? That we have solution. I am going to expand this one. Equals to x into first row. Any row or any column. First row x sin theta cos theta. X into sin theta into cos theta. X into sin theta cos theta. X into first row first column minus x into x minus x square, immediately minus 1 into 1 sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta. First row middle column remove minus sin theta into x minus x sin theta. Immediately minus. Then 1 into cos theta cos theta. Cos theta into first row last row minus 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Immediately minus. Minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Immediately minus. Minus x into cos theta minus x cos theta. This becomes plus x cos theta. Okay. Potential for sin theta negative sign remaining positive equal to minus x into minus x square minus x cube minus x minus into minus plus x sin square theta plus minus into minus plus sin theta cos theta plus into minus minus cos theta into sin theta into cos theta. For cancellation it will be easy. Plus into plus plus x cos square theta equal to minus x cube minus x plus x common between these two. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. X cube minus x plus x into 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 equal to minus x cube minus x plus x dot cancel equal to minus x. Understood? Yes sir. What do you understand? What is the question? This is independent of theta. What does it mean? Independent of theta means whatever the answer we got here, this answer will not going to depend on theta. Understood? Yes sir. What you understood? I will explain now. In place of theta, 3000 degrees you have taken. In place of theta, you have taken 3000 degrees. Means wherever theta is there, 3000 will come. Wherever theta is there, 3000 will come. Just consider that you don't know how to find sine 3000 degrees. You don't know how to find cos 3000 degrees. Without knowing that one, you start expanding this one. In place of theta, 3000 degrees, 3000, 3000, 3000, 3000, 3000, 3000, 3000, 3000. Roll number 1, take 3000 degrees. Roll number 2, take 5000 degrees. Roll number 6, take 6000 degrees. Roll number 7, take 7000 degrees. If everybody takes thousands of degrees also, answer is means this answer is not depending on theta what you are taking. This answer is not depending on the value of theta what we are taking. Theta will be 1000 degrees, same answer. 2000 degrees, same answer. 1 crore, same answer. 2 crores, same answer. It is not depending on theta, it is independent of theta. This is not depending on theta, it is independent of theta. Therefore, E is independent of theta. E is independent of theta. Right? That is the answer. Next question. Next question. Without expanding the determinant, prove that without expanding, show that A square BC, B square AC, C square AB, correct? Yeah, B square AC, AB equals to 1 A square AQ, 1 B square BQ, 1 C square C. Question is prove that. So we can take LHS, otherwise RHS. Here I am taking LHS. LHS A square BC, B square AC, C square E. Okay. Observe carefully. In the proving part, in one line, alphabets are not there at all. Where I have to send alphabets? So what we have to, what I am doing, and one more thing, A cube, B cube, C cube, cubes are not there. A square, B square, C square, chalta no problem. From where should I bring cubes? Means we have to multiply first row with A. Multiply R1, R2 and R3 with A, B and C. First row with A square into A cube, A into BC, ABC. BC is there, A is not there, that's why first row with A. AC is there, B is not there, ABC will come, that's why second row with B. AB is there, C is not there, third row with C. Second row with B. B square, B cube, ABC. C square, C cube, ABC. You multiplied first row, divide with the first, you multiplied first row with A, divide with A. Second row with B, divide with A. Third row with C, divide with C. Common went out, got cancelled. Equals to A square A cube 1, A square A cube 1, yes. B square B cube 1, B square B cube 1, C square C cube 1, yes, yes. Just we have to adjust. Adjust means by using properties. We should not adjust as per our wish. As per properties we have to adjust. I am going to interchange first column, last one. Why? Because 1, 1, 1 should be in first place. So I am going to interchange first column and the last column. Last column becomes first column. First column becomes last column. Okay, now middle column will be as it is. If you interchange any two rows or any two columns, sign will change. We have to change the sign. Equals to minus. I am going to interchange C2 and C3. First column is last column becomes second column. Second column becomes third column. If you interchange any two rows or any two columns, sign gets changed. Right? That's it. That is the answer. Let us see in the next class. Thank you very much.